Good morning, students. We are going to start a new chapter today in chemistry, which is sulfuric acid. And in this, we are going to start with the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. Manufacture of sulfuric acid is done by the process called contact process. The process is contact process. So under this process there are altogether 4 steps involved, and the first step is the production of sulfur dioxide gas, which can be done by heating sulfur or by burning sulfur, and the sulfur to be taken should be absolutely pure, that is should be at least 99% pure, and this sulfur is called Louisiana sulfur. This sulfur is 99% pure. This sulfur when burned we get sulfur dioxide as a gas in the first step. The second step is the oxidation of sulfur dioxide or conversion of sulfur dioxide into sulfur trioxide. For this we require a catalyst, either vanadium pentoxide or platinum, should be heated to around 400 to 450 degrees Celsius, where you can get sulfur trioxide as the product. Third step is to convert this sulfur trioxide into a compound called oleum or pyrosulfuric acid. For this sulfur trioxide has to be dissolved into concentrated sulfuric acid. This is the equation: SO3 plus H2SO4, which should be concentrated, and it gives you the product H2S2O7. The name of this product is oleum, which is also called pyrosulfuric acid. And the fourth step will be to dilute this oleum, because oleum is an acid whose concentration is around 100%. So when we dilute this oleum by adding water to it, we can obtain sulfuric acid. So this is the final product. These are the 4 steps altogether required in the manufacturing of sulfuric acid, and the process is called contact process. You should also know one thing here, that sulfuric acid is called king of chemicals. It is also known by the name oil of vitriol. It is called king of chemical because almost in all the industries or in large number of industries, sulfuric acid is used to manufacture different compounds or different materials. No other chemicals used in the industries are as much as sulfuric acid, and this is the reason why it is called king of chemicals. I hope the reactions are clear to you regarding the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. Next class we will see some chemical properties of sulfuric acid. Thank you.